Hey, what's up? This is Jessica X1127. Today I'm going to show you how to get custom keyboards using iAcces 4. And if you have iAcces 3, this video will not work. Alright, so let's get started. First, you want to open Cydia, go to Manage, go to Sources. You're going to want to download the source called iAcces.com/apt/ and you're going to want to make sure you have the slash at the end. You can download that and pause the video, but I already have it, so I'm not going to download it. Alright, next you're going to want to download GumballTech.com/Cydia/ and download that one too. When it's all downloaded, then you're going to want to go into GumballTech, and you're going to scroll down until you and click on 30 iAcces 4 keyboards. You're going to want to download that. It might take a while, but you're going to need it. Pause the video, I already have it. So after you got all that, go into iAcces 4. You're going to want to click on keyboard theme. And the 30 keyboards that you downloaded is all in here, so you just go to there and choose the one you like the best, and it's going to tell you that you're going to need to restart your iPod or iPhone, so then you're going to do so. And I'll show you what I have. This is the keyboard that I'm currently using. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave comments.